after the news the other week that Roan van de Moosdijk, and I'm sorry if I'm butchering his last name, I think that's how you say it, correct me if I'm wrong down below, was leaving his team that he never raced for, Fantic, we now have the news of why. And it is to fill in for Team HRC after Ruben Fernandez had a ACL injury. I think that's correct, ACL injury in the first corner, so he never raced for the team this year either. And you kind of understand it. If you're going to be him, a fill-in ride for the full factory Honda squad is probably on the books of things that you're going to go, huh, that fell in my lap? Sure. It is kind of funny, though, if you read the little statement that right there, if you want to pause and read it, when he's saying, when I heard about the opportunity, like he's already signed to a team, he's never raced for that team, and he's hearing about other bike opportunities and going, oh yeah, I guess I'll just leave. I don't know. It opens a seat for somebody else, you know, a privateer, somebody maybe to get a little bit of factory support from Fantic. And correct me if I'm wrong, but Fantic is basically just Yamaha under a different name, right? It's like the gas to KTM kind of thing. If I'm wrong, comment down below. Tell me. I think I am correct on that. But for him, I mean, great opportunity. If he's missed 2 rounds, so you're probably out of the championship race at this point, honestly. But if you can get on the bike, be competitive, look good, maybe you get a seat with Honda, maybe you get, you know, another squad to look at you and say, hey, this is actually really good. Obviously, who knows where this goes, but tell me in the comments below. Have you been watching MXGP? Are you into that thing? Or are you just because my audience obviously is American, are you more of a just American supercross and motocross fan? Personally, I like MXGP. It's always fun seeing around the world, the different kind of tracks, you know, different view of it. And obviously, a lot of these guys might be coming over here. Prado, you never know. But whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.